Tell us a little bit about yourselves. Before meeting Infinite Wealth, what did your financial future look like?
I think we hadn't really thought about it too much. We kind of had a little bit of experience in the property market before, but weren't really sure where to go next and exactly how to execute what we wanted to do.
I guess we kind of also thought that we both made good money and we thought that was going to be enough, but when we met Infinite Wealth, we realised that we could do a lot more with what we were earning. So.
And what would you say changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
Yeah, I think we just realised that although we're earning good money, we really needed to put a plan into place to make the most of that.
I think we gained some clarity as well in terms of, exactly what we had to do over the next 20 or so years to get to where we wanted to be and have the lifestyle that we wanted to have at that point. So it was just clarity and an exact plan as to how to get there. And it's a realistic plan and one that we could spread over the next 15 to 20 years.
What has been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
They've been great. Everyone that we're dealing with is very friendly, eager to help, always gets back to us very quickly. And the fact that there's so many services that come under the one group is very helpful as well, because when you're new to this process, when you've got to take one part of information here and take it somewhere else and explain it all again, it can get quite confusing.
It simplifies everything a lot.
And how would you say your financial future looks now?
It's good.
Good.
Yeah, we've got some clarity. We've still got some work to go and some years ahead before we get the life that we want, but the wheels are definitely in motion. It's quite exciting.
And would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? If so, why?
I already have, so there you go.
Yeah. Why? Because as you said before, the simpleness of having everything together, and just the fact that everyone that we're dealing with is friendly and helpful and wants to be here. You can tell that it's a good place to be, a good thing to be a part of.
Cool. Thanks, guys.